Okay, so this is the solution for graphing motion problem level 2, and they say that you'll be presented with a velocity time graph describing a one-dimensional motion of an object. You are to, let me go ahead and, oops, wrong one. Okay, so we'll go ahead. We are to find the displacement of the object during the interval depicted in the graph. When you are ready to start the problem, click begin, and when you have finished collecting data, hit end. So I'm going to go ahead and press done. I'm going to swipe over, and here's the problem. Okay. So we need to find, as the problem stated, the displacement of the object during the interval depicted. So if you recall from your video, that means that we need to find the area under the curve. So let's do that. Okay. Oops, I should use red. Let's do that. So let's use red, and we'll make our line right here. We'll use green, and we'll make our line. So hopefully I can do it. Go all the way down right here. And then let's make blue our other guy. It looks like we're going to have to do some complicated math. Not really. We just need to make this into a triangle right here. And then we're going to need to make this into a triangle right here. And I just kind of want to take the time to remind you. So I'm going to put reminder. Okay. The reason why the area works so well is that for the equation for area, right, that's going to equal to base times the height. Okay. And if you look at the units, the base is in units of seconds, and the height is in units of velocity, so meters per second. Okay. If you have seconds multiplied by meters per second, well, then the seconds cancel, and you're left with units of meters. So that's why the displacement is the area underneath the curve. So let's do this. So for the very first one, we just need to get a base. So this is a base, so we'll start with red. Okay, the base looks like it's 29 seconds. Okay. The height looks like it is 32. Okay. And I'm just going to go ahead and plug this into my calculator on the side. So 29 times 32 is equal to 928. And the units, as we described before, would be meters. For green, okay, we're going to do something very similar. Let's do the square first. Let's see them just arbitrarily coloring it in. So we're going to do the square first. So the base, it goes from 29 to 62. Let's call that a base of 33 seconds. Okay, the height should be exactly the same. So height will be 32. Okay. Plug that into my calculator. 33 times 32, 1056. Okay. That's not it though, because now we have to do the area of the triangle. So that's going to be 1/2 times the base, which we already have the base. The base was 33 seconds. And the height, it's going to go from 32 to Oh gosh. Is that 58? Yep. So 58 minus 32. Let me plug that into my calculator. That one I can't do in my head. 26. Okay, so we'll do 0.5 multiplied by 33 multiplied by 26. And I get 429. All right, let's do the blue portion. Okay, so very similar. Oops, I just realized you guys, well, I don't have you guys to sit here and correct me. I just realized that when I drew that, I did not draw a very good triangle. So let's go ahead and we'll draw it right there. Okay, so let's do the square first. Okay, so the square is going to go from 62 to 80, so that's 18. Okay, multiplied by the height, which is different now, so it's going to be 22. Okay, go ahead and plug this into my calculator. 18 times 22, 396. Okay, and now we have to do the triangle. So the triangle is going to be 1/2 times the base. Base goes from 62 to 80, so again it's 18. And the height's going to go from 22 to 58, so 36. Okay, so 0.5 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 36, I get 324 meters. Now all we have to do, I'll just switch colors to black. We just need to add all these terms. So let's do that. So 928 plus 1056 plus 429 plus 396 and plus 324 would equal to 3,133 meters, and we can just say AKA, just in case they ask, 3.133 kilometers, since there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. All right, so let's go over to the problem. Let's see what they're asking for here. So we'll just put test. Oh, looks like that was unnecessary. So we'll just put 3133. Woohoo, we finished.